Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating the CRM skeleton. Add columns for contact data, deal value, stage, and a last contact date. Next, import your CSV or copy from another sheet. Once done, run a dedupe step with unique or a filter formula to remove exact duplicates. Make sure to freeze the header row and apply data validation on stage so entries stay consistent. You're setting rules now so automation and analysis work smoothly later. Now automate repetitive work by adding app script triggers or simple macros. For example, auto-update last contact when you send an email or set reminders. Meanwhile, build rollups with sumifs and countifs to track pipeline totals and conversion rates, and use VLOOKUP or index match to pull account details. Once done, apply conditional formatting to highlight hot leads and stale contacts. These steps reduce manual errors and keep your dashboard accurate for decision-making. Finish by assembling a dashboard. Add pivot tables and charts that show pipeline stages, R, and conversion percentage so you can act on insights immediately. Make sure to protect critical ranges and share the sheet with appropriate permissions. Comment only for most users, edit for managers. If something breaks, run a quick audit. Verify formulas cell by cell, clear browser cache, and inspect app script execution logs. Then roll back using version history if needed. One troubleshooting tip: always test scripts on a copy before deploying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.